reconcile with the angry beast in a crowded space. No, nothing draws a crowd like a good fight. So how do we get this mean old boy down from his tower? He's been swatting at the flybys, smoking his red eyes, sneering at the world. So tell me how even a strong man loses his power when the switch flips. King Kong, King Kong can get the best of you. King Kong, King Kong can turn you red or blue. There's an irritating logic like an ancient jungle law. There's a violence that can touch us all. King Kong, oh, King Kong can get the best of you. You really make my compass spin, and I hear the fist on his chest again. No cause for study, no charge to fight, no need to search for cover in the night. Just whisper, oh.